Sauce on me. I got drip. Flood the wrist. It's homage to the.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Anique. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey. Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel, y'all. As y'all see, the nails ain't on because y'all, the nails was nailing. But I'm getting some new press-ons. I'm excited about them. They're gonna be cute. I am ordering them and they're gonna be booked in business right here. But if this is your first time here on my channel, hi, my name is Anique. Here I am doing my budgeting. I'm working on paying off my debts. I'm working on getting my emergency fund up to a stack. And all things making sure that my bills are paid and other goals that I have. But if this is your first time here and you would like to see how I do my budget and you enjoy cash stuffing, then I hope you consider hitting that subscribe button. If you do like this video, hit that like button. And if you want to add your 2 cents down below in the comments so we can know what is going on, add your 2 cents to my 98 cents and we can make $1, because we can do a whole lot with $1, you all. So without further ado, I don't want a long intro because we're gonna have to get into it and count this money and get all things together. So let's get into it. Okay, y'all, so this is the money that we are going to be working with. And so today we will be cash stuffing 100, 150, 170, 190, 210, 232, 52, 70, 290, 310, 320, 333, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, and 91. So $391. Is that what I'm supposed to be stuffing? Hold up, y'all. Hold up, because the money ain't money in the beginning of the video. Hold up. Yeah. Y'all, that's what I'm supposed to be stuffing. $391. That's the right number. The numbers is numbering. Okay. So let us lay the money out. Let me move this book out the way, child. Move that out the way. And then let's put everything where they need to be. How y'all doing? How y'all doing, y'all? Y'all, it has been such a time. Oh, it has been such a time for me. Such a time. But you know what? One thing about it, two things for sure. My budget always has to happen. My cash stuffing always have to happen. Regardless of whatever else is happening in your life, control the controllables, y'all. Control the controllables. AKA, I'ma stuff this money. I sure am. I'ma stuff this money. So I am just fixing the Zola bills because we have $391 that we are cash stuffing today, and I am fixing the money so that we can go ahead and do that flawlessly. And then let's see the ones. We have 6 ones, y'all. So okay. All right, the money is cash stuff. Let's just slide little baby over here because I just love the money on the left side. Okay, y'all, so first things first, we're gonna start with our cash envelope binder, and I'm gonna open up little baby right here, you know, right hither. Okay, and so first we have groceries, and groceries right now has $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, $9. $9 in groceries, and I will be adding $116 to groceries, so that's a $100 bill, 3 $5 bills, and a $1 bill. So let's see, this is 100, 150, ooh, 150. Don't we wish? 100, 105, 110, 115, 116. And we add this here. So this is 100, 105, 110, 115, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Now, if you watch my budget with me, then you know that this is supposed to be 150, but I already went to the grocery store and bought some stuff. And so that is why groceries has the amount that it has, because I've used it already. I just had to record a little later. And so, you know, I went to the bank and then basically went right to the grocery store afterwards. Next is gas, and gas currently has $20, $40, $50, $60, $61, and we are adding $25 to gas. That's a $20 and a $5 bill. I'm sorry, y'all, I don't know if I'm out of frame or not, but that's a $20 and a $5 bill. And so gas right now has $20, $40, $60, $70, $80, $85, and $86, which is not bad. It's actually really good. And I think gas prices were going down. It was like $2 and something. I don't know. I saw the $2. I was like, oh, where, what? Okay. So for me, I think gas is like $2 and something. So I'm here for it. Nothing is going in my allowance because I already spent that money somewhere else. So allowance is going to be zero, y'all. Oh, the struggle of the world. The struggle. I'm telling y'all, before it even gets stuff, allowance get used. Moving on to toiletries. Toiletries right now has 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 dollars. And I'm adding a $5 bill to toiletries. Right, so now we have 10, 15. Oh, where did I put it? Oh, put it back. Okay, so now we have 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, and $24, which we love. We have $24 in toiletries. Okay, next we have household, which, like I said, I have to buy a whole bunch of stuff for my house. And so this is what this is for, because I do 6 months stock, and baby, the stockpile is not stocking. So in household I have 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, and 54. So I have 154, and I'm going to be adding $40. So that is 2 20s in here. And now household has 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94. So now household has $194, and this should serve me well. I really want to put the $6 to make it $200, but this should serve me well because I am going to be buying household stuff real soon. So I'm excited because I have enough money for it, so that's good. Okay, next is hair care. Hair care currently has 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, and I'm adding $75 to hair care. So that is 50, 20, and a 5. And so this is my hair care of $75. Okay, and so now hair care has 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 140, 45, and 150. My hair tomorrow, is it tomorrow? But my hair gets done on Mondays now, y'all. I used to get it done every 3 weeks and then leave my hair out for a week, but I'm going back to taking care of my natural hair. And so my hair gets done on Mondays every week. So I wash my hair on Sunday before and then done. But I'm thinking about changing it to be on Saturday mornings at like 9 so that I can wash my hair on Friday or Saturday and then have Sunday, you know, real calm, cool, and whatever. And it gets me out of the house first thing on Saturday. So if I want to do anything, then I'm already out and like I can do it. So that's what I'm thinking, that I'm gonna switch my days to Saturday. But for now, my hair is gonna get done on Mondays, and that is I'm gonna wash my hair Friday night, deep condition it, whatever needs to happen, and then yeah. But I'm saying all this to say this: my hair charge is gonna change, but it's still gonna equal to the $180 that I usually have in here because it's gonna include tip when I do my hair. So yeah, a lot was said in that moment for no reason, but a lot happens. So anyways, that is it for my cash envelope binder. We are going to move on to my sinking funds binder because that is next. So actually, let's go to my saving challenge binder because there's only one thing that I need to do in here. And so in this binder, I have the 10 of a kind saving challenge, which is 10 of each kind of my windows open this time, y'all. So if y'all see a little light or whatever, that's what that is. But I'm doing 10 of each denomination of money basically. And so I finished the 1, oh look, it's over here. I finished the 1, the 5s, and so the 10s were the last one that was left, and so I needed a real 10 to close out the 10s. And so with this 10 added, it's now 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So the 10s, the 5s, and the 1s are completed. We're going to take this prop $10 bill and we're going to move it to the side. where all the other ones are. We're gonna put these real 20s back in here, and then also we're gonna put the prop money as well back in here. So we're done with the ones, we're done with the fives, and we're done with the tens, and now only thing we have is the 20s, the 50s, and the 100. So that just means that my saving challenges budget is gonna go up for every check, but we gonna see what, you know, with how things is thinging, we gonna see what happens. So that is it for this saving challenge binder. I am going to move on now to the sinking funds binder. Move y'all over there, move y'all over there, move y'all over, move y'all over, move y'all over there. Okay, so this is my sinking funds binder, and we are gonna be cash stuffing the munties in here. So for car maintenance, ooh, she getting a cute little amount. For car maintenance, she is getting $40. So right now, car maintenance has 50, 100, 121, 40, 145, 150, 155, 160, 161. And so she get $40, which is 2 20s. Oh, I have a lot of 20s. I thought it was only these. Okay, so add these. And so now car maintenance has 50, 100, 121, 41, 61, 80, 85, 90, 95, 200, and 201 is in car maintenance. Next is travel. The next big upcoming travel trip that I have is that I might be going to Canada for Christmas. Usually Christmas is either at my mama house or at my, well, usually at my mama house for me. So, but this year I think we might be going to Canada for Christmas. So that would be my next big travel trip, because the next travel trip is actually Thanksgiving. Like we're not gonna skip over it. Thanksgiving is the next big one, and so traveling home to where my mom lives in Georgia, and then yeah, after that for Christmas, then it's gonna be the but Thanksgiving is the next one. So really in travel, I just need it for gas and maybe for food, but mostly for gas. So travel right now has $30, and it's only getting a 5 because we have priorities on other things. And so now travel has $35 in there, which can get me a tank of gas, a tank full of gas to Georgia. And so I just need to save a little bit more for the tank full to come back home to Mississippi. So yeah, so that's $35 in travel. Next is Christmas, and Christmas currently has 50, 70, 90, 110, 120, 130, and Christmas is getting $5 as well. So Christmas has 50, 70, 90, 110, 120, 130, 135. So that is $135 in Christmas. And I gotta start, I figured out one person's gift. I know it's October, y'all, but please, Christmas be Christmasing all of us. So I figured out one gift for Christmas, and I'm working on the other ones, trying to figure out what those are. So that's one, and then we'll do the other. So Christmas, and then we're doing clothing next. So clothing right now has $25, and we are adding a $5 bill, which makes clothing have $30. Next is my birthday, and my birthday right now has 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, and my birthday is getting $2, which is gonna make it an even number at 40. So these $2, my birthday, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and 40. We love to see it. It's a beautiful thing. That is a beautiful thing. Y'all, I'm thinking about upgrading my envelopes too. Well, not upgrading them, but changing them out, because I want to change and do something else, or get just new envelopes. So I have some like designs that I want to do for, or make new ones. I'm just planning on making new ones. I don't know what they're gonna look like, but when they done and I bring them on, then we gonna look at them together, and I'm gonna tell you the tea. So anyways, y'all, that is my birthday. Next is fam birthday, which is empty, y'all, because I used the and I did. So fam's birthday is 0, and I'm gonna be adding $3. So this is it, 1, 2, 3. So I'm gonna be adding $3. We're basically starting over. Is there a next birthday? There is a next birthday. November, December, January. I think my dad's birthday is the next main one that's coming up for me in fam's birthday. So I am going to basically be saving up for that. And his birthday is in January. So doing that. 1 month ahead is next. 1 month ahead has 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 140, 150, 55, 56, and 57, right? Wait, hold up. 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57. Okay, so 1 month ahead has $157, and I am going to be adding 30, so that's a 20 and a $10 bill. And so I'm going to put the 20 here. I'm going to put the 10 there. And so 1 month ahead has 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 160, 170, 180, 85, 86, and 87. So 1 month ahead now has 187, which can it pay for? It can pay for, my mortgage is my most expensive. My car is my second expensive. And then what is the third one? I think my light is the third expensive bill that I have. And I think this can pay for my light and for something else. It almost can pay for the light and the water. So we almost there. But we definitely can do the third. We can now pay for the third most expensive bill for the month. So we're making progress, y'all. We're making progress in 1 month ahead. And then our last cash envelope binder, the stuff is the emergency fund, which I got this from Cynthia and Cassie Budgets. Their shop, I will link it down below, but that's where I got that from. And in emergency fund, I have 100, 200, 300, 350, 400, 450, 500, 501, 502, 503, and 504. And I am adding $30 to this, which is this right here. So, so now emergency fund has 100, 200, 300, 350, 400, 450, 500, 520, 530, 31, 32, 33, and 34. So emergency fund has $534. Okay, and that's it basically for the cash envelope stuffing. Quick, easy, everything is where it needs to be. But y'all, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. My battery is dying, so I can't do all the things. But if you did enjoy, don't forget to leave your 2 cents down below in the comment section. Like this video and subscribe if you enjoy the content. Okay, my name is Anique, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.